Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a delicious and creamy chicken Changezi recipe. It's super easy to make and perfect for the whole family. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bowl with spoon. Step 1. Marinate the chicken, 0:15 to 0:50. Take half a kilogram chicken, wash it well, and add to a bowl. Now add 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon tandoori masala, 2 tablespoons oil. Mix everything well and marinate for 30 minutes. Tomato. Step 2. Prepare the paste, 0:50 to 120. Heat a pan and add 1 cup oil, 1 chopped onion, 15 cashew nuts, 1 tomato. Lightly sauté, let it cool, then blend into a smooth paste. Cooking. Step 3. Cook the chicken, 120 to 240. Heat a pan and add 1 cup oil, a little butter, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Once aromatic, add the marinated chicken and cook for 5 minutes. Now add the prepared paste and cook until the oil separates and the chicken is fully cooked. Butter. Final touch and serving, 2:40 to 3 o'clock. Add 4 tablespoons fresh cream, kasuri methi, fresh coriander. Cook for 5 more minutes and turn off the heat. Serve hot with naan, roti, or rice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next recipe. Smiling face with smiling eyes.